Yes, I found this wonderful. I really enjoyed cooking with all of you, and particularly watching you, Laura, doing things, because even though we know, we cook our own way, we can pick up tips and ideas, like the fact of putting salt in my onion so it doesn't burn when we're sauteing that or in the beginning. Brilliant, and just even if you cut things a different way and yeah, modifying some things and doing things a little better. And to be honest with you, I never made lasagna. Even though in New York we ate a lot, but overseas it just no, never made it. And I'll be honest, it seems intimidating because it seems so much work, whatever. But when doing it together, you recognize it's totally doable and manageable. And like you said, then you have these options. If you made extra sauce, you have, for other things, whether extra ricotta, you can use it for other things too. So I definitely will do it again. I appreciate it. Thank you.